honestly, I'm trying to stay focused.
Good morning. So today's video will be a updated eyebrow tutorial. So as you probably know from watching my Get Ready With Me, this is the eyebrow gel I use. It's by NYX or NYX, whatever. And it's in the shade brunette. So I use this, and I use just a Ruby Kisses eyebrow dual-sided brush. I got it from Beauty Spot, so it's like $3. And a concealer, you know, I use my LA Girl Pro concealer. Anyways, this is the easiest eyebrow tutorial like ever. Tip: your eyebrows come on better, and you can apply your eyebrows better when your eyebrows are done. It's easier. I mean, you can do it when you got a little some here and there, but it's always easier if you're a beginner and you're learning how to do it. I suggest you get your eyebrows done first, because it'll make it easier on your behalf. Anyways, let's get right into this video.
Eyebrow number 1. That's how it looks. What I'm going to do is fill in like these light areas. Yeah, that's it. Simple. You're literally tracing. You start from the front. And me, I like for my eyebrows to have like a faded effect. So you see how it's like lighter here and then it gets darker. So when you outline this, do it as softly as you can, and then you can put more pressure as you go along to outline up your brow. And I do start with the bottom first. If you want to run that looking over here, because I mean it's right here, so. Also, y'all, if y'all mess up, don't stress over it, because whatever is outside the outline you're trying to get, you get cleaned up when you conceal your brows, so.
This is my brows, so now what we're about to do is conceal. And what concealer do I want to use? Let me use this one. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium. I guess it's just medium. And I only use a little concealer because I'm not putting on makeup, so. Boom, and that's eyebrow number 1. Now I'm gonna move into this one. gonna go in with a brush like this, only so I can blend this out, because again, I'm not wearing makeup. So I still want it to like look like my skin. So there you go. Here's my eyebrows, and that only took me like 3 minutes, y'all. Like 3 minutes. It's easy. I just feel like you just gotta take your time with it. Like you literally are just outlining. Your eyebrows already have a shape. If you ever got your eyebrows done before, you already have a shape. Like over here, I have a natural arch. So on this one, I try to like create one. So you might not have to do that. I don't know how your eyebrows are set up, but you're literally just tracing the outline of the shape that's already there, girl. And then you throwing some what in the world? And then you throwing some concealer, and then girl. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Hope you all liked it. Hope you all can follow the steps I take. I might not have been too thorough because I've been doing it for a long time. So I literally just pick up my brow pencil, brush, or whatever, and I literally just get in the tracing. Like it's just a 1, 2, 3 to me. But yeah, bye y'all. See y'all in my next video.